What's up, guys? Welcome back to another another stir down. All right, today we're gonna be doing the La Louisiane cocktail, so let's just get into it. All right, so first thing we're gonna need is 60 ml of rye whiskey, 22 ml of sweet vermouth, 15 ml Benedictine, 3 dashes of absinthe, and 3 dashes of Peychauds bitters. We're gonna give that a good stir. We're gonna whip out our Nick and Nora or a V Coupe, and we're gonna pour it in there. That's all it is, guys. Pretty simple stir down, very similar to the other one that we did, the Vieux Carre, actually. The only difference really being is that we did a double shot of rye instead of splitting that and doing a shot of cognac and rye. We also added some absinthe in this and didn't use the Angostura bitters. Okay, so similar idea, similar vibe, but still sort of different. The La Louisiane was actually created at the hotel bar in New Orleans called La Louisiane. Not 100% sure when it was created. This is a long time ago though. Like that hotel bar, that hotel was actually built in like 1881, I think it was. This used to be the house cocktail for that bar. It became very popular and now it's sold at like fucking bars all over the place, right? As for the actual cocktail itself though, guys, like I prefer this one over the Vieux Carre. Vieux Carre is really nice. I do love my cognac, but the absinthe in this, it just pulls. It pulls me, guys. Like, it's so freaking good. And like the nice rye spice, like pick a good rye that you enjoy. I used Okanagan Spirits rye. I use it quite often. You guys see it all the time. The Benedictine in here, you pick it up a little bit. It's nothing, it's not too overwhelming, but you are getting that like kind of warm honey spice coming in there, which blends really nicely with the rye, I feel. I'm telling you guys, that absinthe is where it is at. It's only 3 dashes, it's quite little, but it plays such a big part in like kind of rounding out the cocktail. It's being very like, not super subtle, but fairly subtle. It lets everything else shine. The La Louisiane cocktail, you can sometimes find it as like a couple other names, but it's still going to be called like La Louisiane. So there's like the A La Louisiane or the De La Louisiane. Why? I have no idea. But other than that, guys, that is all that I have for you today. Okay, pretty simple, pretty straightforward little cocktail. Give this one a try. I definitely do recommend it. It's delicious. If you don't like absinthe, still give it a try. Just maybe use a little bit less absinthe. Instead of 3 dashes, maybe go with 2 or start with 1, see how it goes, right? It might actually change your mind. You might actually enjoy absinthe after that. We don't know, maybe. But that is all that I have for you today, guys. If you like what I do, if you like these videos, please let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe. I'll be having more videos come out every single week. Till next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.